Hi, quick question. Do you want to speak English, but you feel busy every day? Or maybe you feel shy. You are afraid to speak. You think, I don't have time. I am not good. If this is you, this video is for you. Hello, and welcome to Global English Bridge, the podcast where you listen, repeat, shadow, and build confidence in English step by step. I'm Alex, and I'm very happy you're here today. In this episode, I will speak slowly and clearly. I will use simple words and repeat important ideas. You can listen, repeat after me, and practice speaking. Today, we talk about one simple thing: how to practice English every day, even if you are busy or shy. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin together. Okay, first, I want to tell you something important. You do not need a lot of time. You do not need perfect English. Small practice is okay, very small. Let me show you. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning. You look at the mirror. You say, "Good morning. I am ready for today." That's English practice. Yes, really. You brush your teeth. You say, "I brush my teeth. I feel fresh." You are busy, but you can still practice. Now, let's talk about being shy. Many people feel shy. That is normal. You don't need other people. You can talk to yourself. I do it. You can do it. You can say, "I am learning English. I am doing my best." Say it slowly. Say it again. I am learning English. I am learning English. Good. Now, one more idea. Use your phone. Just 1 minute. Record your voice. Say one sentence. For example, "Today is a good day." Listen to your voice. Smile. It's okay. English is not about perfect. English is about practice. Small steps, every day. Now let's practice together. Please pause the video. Repeat after me. Sentence 1. I practice English every day. Sentence 2. I can learn English. Sentence 3. I am not afraid. Pause now. Say it out loud. Good job. One common mistake. Many beginners think, I must speak fast. No, that is not true. Slow English is good English. Say, I am learning English. Slow is okay. Clear is better. Be kind to yourself. Let's recap. Today you learned, small practice is enough. You can talk to yourself. 1 minute is okay. Slow English is good. That's it. Very simple. Now, I want you to do something. Write a comment. Write 1 sentence or 2 sentences. For example, I practice English every day. Or, I am learning English now. Write it below. Thank you for watching. You did great today. Remember, you can learn English. Don't be afraid. Take small steps. See you next time on Global English Bridge. Bye for now.